I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is extremely creative, unique and easy for beginners as well. But in this video, I am going to talk about only one stitch, that is a woven stitch, woven wheel stitch, woven row stitch, woven spider web or simple wheel stitch. These are the different names that have been termed for only one flower, and these flowers are also termed as 3D embroidery flowers and modern and unique hand embroidery patterns. So the creativity of this video is that from this video you are going to get creative and amazing different type of ideas that how you can make hand embroidery or hand art creative and can use one embroidery stitch for making different number of things. First of all, you can make hoop art, wall art for your home decor, for gifting to your loved ones as well. And secondly, you can make these very beautiful hand embroidery flower patterns as an all over embroidery pattern to design your shirts, necklines, kurtis, tops, tulips, short frocks and many type of more sweatshirts, sweater, cardigans, ponchos and other hand knitted stuff as well. And secondly, you can make these very beautiful patterns onto your handmade hand embroidered buttons, handmade hand embroidered pendants, jewelry items like earrings, rings, bracelets, bands and necklaces. And some more creativity with respect to accessories, like you can make these very beautiful patterns of flowers onto your face mask, onto your glasses covers, onto your mobile covers, onto your bags and many more creative things. So if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel, then kindly do subscribe my channel right now, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. And one more thing, if you really like my today's design ideas, then please do follow us and share my videos massively with your friends and family so that we could grow up into a remarkable and a large number of YouTube friends and family members and subscribers. So stay blessed and stay tuned. Hope to see you soon back in my channel in my new videos. Up till then, take care of yourselves.